Ken Griffey Jr. was one of the most well-liked players in Major League Baseball at the time, and possibly ever, thanks to his smoothest swing and captivating on-field flair. In the 1990s, Nike was highly involved in the turf or field footwear market, producing signature models for athletes in every discipline that were on par with basketball shoes in terms of popularity. A full-length Air Max unit, high-cut ankle strap, and a striking swoosh hit at the toe made the original Griffeys one of the most sought-after at the time. Because NFL players were known to wear the shoes on turf, they frequently crossed sport lines. We know that the Varsity Royal, Volt, Black is expected, but we're not sure if the air bubble will change anyway. In order to modernize the Air Max 95, Nike went back to using the more voluminous Air unit with the visible seam, as you are already aware. Unknown is whether the 2026 Air Griffey Max 1 received the same update.